Weather conditions can be predicted with the right information, but the weather data needs to be analyzed and processed before it can be applied efficiently to winter maintenance operations. Onset time and severity of storms can vary, and heavy snow is hard to combat without clear, actionable data available in advance. Vaisala Wx Horizon provides the solution. WxHorizon fuses data from sensors, weather stations, and other input sources and displays it in an intuitive, regionally cloud-hosted user data interface with the most important information highlighted, including surface condition and temperature. Road maintenance vehicles, traffic management, and airports can, when needed, share and use the same objective data in real time. With clear information in one combined interface, predicting snow, frost, and other conditions on an entire network becomes easy. Liquid, solid, and abrasive applications can be planned in advance. Fleets can be deployed at the right time in an optimal way, resulting in increased safety, optimized resource usage, and better experiences for both travelers and winter maintenance teams. Observations, storm forecast, and road condition information are easily accessed from a laptop or while on the move or in the depot from a handheld device. Take your winter maintenance operations to the next level. Visit vaisala.com/WxHorizon.